Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to download World of Warships Blitz on mobile. So first, go to the Google Play Store and then search World of Warships Blitz. And then you wait. My internet's gone. And when you search, you have to wait until this comes. World of Warships, the Blitz War. And this is my comment from like 26th of 5, 2023. Okay, and when you find it, the picture, the photos should be like these. If it's not like these pictures I'm showing you, that means it's not the real game. So, bye. And tip, it can also be found on Android devices. You could play it on iPad if you want. Bye.